Hi guys, welcome to another episode of PixelStudio. Now you know where the team from PixelStudio here shares interesting bits of information so that we can learn together. It's all about discovering, learning, and enjoying as we go along. Do stay till the end of the session for the fun quiz and participate along with the team here. The aim of the quiz is to reinforce learning, so rack your brains and see if you can challenge the brains we have here in PXS. For today, we have Mr. Rayen who will share with us some facts about
DIY Pokéball Terrarium.
Cool! Take it away, Rayen!
It's basically an idea of how a Pokéball looks on the inside when a Pokemon is stored. So is there a forest, a beach, a volcano, an iceberg, or just clouds? Or are they resting under a tree, swimming in the ocean, or exploring an unknown world? So it's up to us when we create our very own Pokéball Terrarium. Then here's one I've done with NG for Valentine's Day lah.
Guess whose hands are those?
Oh yeah, I guess
You
it's
just-
hands. Hafiz, spots, yeah, Hafiz.
Okay, so how do we make one? Yeah, so first is conceptualization. So we have to start off by deciding what Pokemon to use. So you want an environment that matches well with the chosen Pokemon. So if it's a general Pokemon, a regular grassy field with some trees will look good enough. If it's like Squirtle, a water Pokemon, then it will look good with water elements like at the beach or river or something like that. Once you've decided on the Pokemon, so go online and search for references. There are so many people who have done all sorts of Pokéball terrariums, so it's good to go through them to have a rough idea of how you want your Pokemon's environment to look and how you can tweak it to your liking. So because this is a gift, right, I knew I wanted something like very peaceful with a sakura tree and then two Pikachus and some miniatures to go with it. So fun fact, if y'all don't already know, female Pikachus have a heart-shaped tail. Yeah, you see the...
I just got to know this recently also.
So very cute. Then moving on to materials needed for the terrarium. So every terrarium is different, but here are some like essential things you need. So the first one is ornaments. So if you see like over here, the circle, right, the ball, right, is actually made with ornaments. It's a clear, transparent ornament with a white half lah. There's a hook for the ornament to be hung on the Christmas trees, right? So that one we actually need to go and use a plier and break it off. You will need a base, basically to put all the figurines, the tree, the fake grass, and then usually it's half a styrofoam ball or a modeling board. So I recommend using the styrofoam one as it is easier to work with. Like you can just like poke the tree in or like the figurines in without breaking it, so it's quite easy to use. Yeah. Then you also need the black and white button. Basically, it's the Pokéball button, a stand. Then after doing some digging on Taobao, I found out that the stand is actually a Rubik's Cube. So if you see the bottom left of the screen, there's a stand inside the plastic bag. It's actually a Rubik's Cube stand, and I didn't know at first lah. Then it was quite interesting to find out that it was actually a Rubik's Cube. So there's also black tape, you need hot glue, super glue, PVC glue, a brush, and of course your Pokemon figure. And the next slide is where to buy. I actually bought it from Taobao. There's a seller on Taobao that sells a lot of miniatures, and he also sells Pokéball Terrarium sets. Then it has all the essentials. So they give the ornaments itself, the tape, the figures, the tree, grass, everything. So the set is very economical. So it's very helpful as a starting point. Then you can also get like miniatures from hobby stores or online platforms like Lazada and Shopee. And other essentials like ornaments brush, glue from stores like Art Friend, Spotlight. So for the Pokemon figures, I suggest getting authentic Gashapon figures off Carousel, toy stores or Don Donki, because they have like a number of Gashapon capsule machines there. Yeah. So here's one that I recommend. It's a Gashapon series that has a few Pokemon characters eating fruits and berries, which are very cute. So you can imagine them like sitting under a tree and then just munching away lah. So it's a very cute scene. Then this is also available at Don Donki.
Cute, it's cute.
Yeah. Okay. So
By the
that's
way,
also-
are you sponsored? All this name dropping, all this.
You think I'm sponsored, David?
Yes, exactly. Because you keep saying Taobao lah.
Please sponsor us. Please.
Hafiz, I have to, right? It's I have to credit, right? Yeah, but anyway,
It is.
yeah. So the next one is bringing it to so once you get all your materials, right? You basically have to this is the step to put it together, lah. So here's a rough guide on the process. We began by placing the base and the various figures inside the ornament to play around with the arrangement. So it's to see how you want to put things and whether it looks nice. Then after when you are satisfied, you can take a photo for reference and then remove all the figures and apply the PVC glue on the base and spread it with a brush. Then slowly pour the miniature grass onto the glue and cover it fully. You have to turn the base and tap it gently to remove the excess grass. And sometimes when you tap it, then some of the grass will fall off. So for all these kind of bald spots, right? What we did was to drip some PVC glue and then pour more grass and then press down gently so that it covers across the whole base. Once we're done with the grass, we twist and push the tree to drill it down into the styrofoam ball. Then we place the base in the bottom half of the ornament and cover the top to check if the ball can be closed tightly, because sometimes the tree might be blocking it, so you have to push it down further. Then next we super glued the miniatures and Pokemon figures to the base. And for the last step, we cover it with the top half and then take the opening with the black tape and stuck the button on. Yeah, so that's it. It's a tutorial.
Yes, it can be anything under the sun. Okay, now it's time for the quiz time. Let's go. All right, let's go.
What is the first step to
make
make
a
a Pokéball Terrarium?
Baya.
Make sure you have money. It's true.
But it's very cheap actually, I find, the materials. Yeah, so basically you need your Pokemon figure to kind of get a rough gauge of what environment you want. So that's always the first step. Question 2.
What's the name of Ray's girlfriend?
Really? A suitable environment for Squirtle. So this was mentioned earlier. So is it a beach, a river, a pond, or all of the above?
Squirtle is
Fire
water
type.
Pokemon, right?
Yeah, the answer is all of the above. Who got it wrong?
River of water.
Hannah,
You don't play Pokemon, Hannah. Hannah, you don't play Pokemon.
I watched the series, but I forgot.
Okay, next time we go out, we play Pokemon Go. Everybody, go and download. Let's go out and play together. Let's go take down the gym. Go.
Yeah, so for because Squirtle is a water Pokemon, so actually it can fit to any water kind of environment. Yeah, so pond, river, lake, beach, swimming pool also can. Yeah.
Swimming pool, let's Squirtle. Cannot lah. The water too acidic for him. No. Moving on.
So once you've decided on the Pokemon, go online and search for references, miniatures, materials, or Pokemon figures. A hint is what Hafiz said just now.
I think my next quiz.
Or is it a trap? Is it a hint or is it a trap? Okay, it's a hint. Could be a trap.
Yeah. So what? Everybody's saying. Oh, Claudia.
Oh yeah. Yeah, everybody's saying 2 points.
Claudia, up your game. Come on.
Okay, question 4. Okay, what shape does the tail of the female Pikachu resemble?
Oh, this one I remember.
This one should be very easy. You have to type it out.
M shape. M shape. Technically correct,
Like,
right?
I don't know shape also can.
Oval lah, oval.
Heart shape. Okay,
Heart
this one
shape,
you get
correct.
correct.
Everybody got it right. Yay. I also want to type
Well,
heart shape.
that's
Right.
100
Give you 100 points, Joel. Don't worry, don't cry. You got your points, man.
Everybody got it right. Okay, next
Not
one.
bad, not bad.
Oh, so everybody is at the same points.
Yeah, wow,
Okay.
nice.
Behind by 1. What item is used as the ball of the
For terrarium, oh gosh.
Alamak.
something you hang on the tree?
But if I say ball also can.
No. Ornament.
Ornaments.
Ball.
Okay,
I wrote ornament.
there's no S. Can I still get the point?
Yeah, ornaments. Ornaments. I also put ornaments. Real.
Other
I put
answers? What is that?
because it's me. I put it long. I put ornaments. That round ball thing where you hang on the Christmas tree.
So who
What
answered,
extra only? So
who answered this three?
Me.
So it's Hannah,
80%.
and
Hannah, Hafiz, and one more.
Yeah, is it?
Me.
And Indra, you
Okay.
said you put ornament also, is it?
Yeah, ornaments. Yep. Mine's under other answers.
Okay. So shady person.
Is plastic an ornament?
No, Shafiq. Plastic is a material. You do not get the point.
Plastic and ornament. Good try, Hafiz. Good try.
Question 6. What item is used as the stand of a Pokéball Terrarium? This one should be quite simple.
Plastic.
Multiple choice. So should be.
Wow, not bad.
Oh, it's action figure.
Question 7. Okay, name one of the stores where you can buy materials for Pokéball Terrarium.
Oh, this one.
A lot was mentioned just now, so any one of it. I think got one that is very obvious one.
Yeah.
Your favorite one, I always go there one.
Uniqlo.
Yes, Uniqlo, my favorite. Okay, our friend is correct. Hey, what is this? Tapao.
Alamak, I spell wrongly lah. Tapao is.
Tapao doesn't get a point.
Tapao is took away leh.
Yeah, I spell wrongly. Can give me not? I know it's Tapao lah.
No.
Wrong
Okay,
spelling
Rayen.
now. I know it's that spelling. Tapao.
Question 8. Which of these Pokemon is not available in the recommended Gashapon series?
Not recommended.
Yes. So, is there Pikachu inside, Dratini, Squirtle, or Gengar?
Just now you show, right?
Yes, the one that Hafiz say is a sponsored post, which is not. I wish it was, but it's not. But yeah, so which one was not inside there?
Yeah, I think I recognize. So memory powers, yeah. This one vision.
It's the visual memory.
Yeah, Gengar is there. Gengar is.
Yeah, Gengar is there.
Gengar was on the rightmost.
On the rightmost, yeah, correct.
Far right.
Yeah. Squirtle, yeah, because Squirtle's not there.
So how many Pikachus are there in the Pokeball Terrarium?
Huh?
The one that you did,
The one that I
Alamak.
did. How many Pikachus? It should be
Is
obvious,
this
right?
is this a trick question, Rayen?
No. This it's very obvious. What?
Just need to.
I thought this is a free question.
It's the one that you did lah.
Yeah lah, the one that I did. So
Oh, okay.
it's shown a lot of times, right? So how many? This one is wrong. So this one is correct. 2 is correct.
Two lah,
So
two lah.
who got it wrong?
Me.
I think it's a.
I forgot how many.
Shafiq is for Valentine's Day, it's just him and.
Obviously, it's 2, right, Avi?
I don't know, maybe got third party.
Hey, you don't curse my relationship.
It's a joke.
Okay, last question. This one, Indra just gave the answer lah.
Yo, what?
So
I
I got
always
the
share.
gift, right?
I always share.
For a special occasion, what was it?
Yeah, I always give you guys points, eh? Every week without fail.
I actually can't remember this answer.
Indra just gave the answer, bro.
Step only lah.
That only lah.
It's for Independence Day.
Birthday lah. Yeah, easy lah.
Retirement?
Birthday lah. It's too young lah.
Maybe her graduation.
Recently got
Oh,
Chinese
oh.
New Year.
Okay.
Chinese New Year.
It can be convocation gifts, I guess.
So it's Valentine's Day.
Who put birthday really? I bluff you all.
Must be Shafiq.
Shafiq, really, Shafiq.
No,
Really desperate.
No.
Actually, it's A.
Hannah!
Hannah
Speech to the winner. Hannah, you the previous round winner leh. Must give a winning speech. Come.
I really didn't expect it though. I got quite a lot of phases wrong.
Are you talking about the previous one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't expect, right? Because we also didn't expect because we have more wrongs than you. Okay, that's it, man. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you learned a thing or two about today's subject. Thanks, Rayen, for conducting this. And how many questions do you manage to answer correctly? Can you beat Hannah, the top scorer for today? Also, check out this channel. Remember to subscribe if you want to be notified on some of our latest contents. With that, PixelStudio signing off. Take care, everyone, and bye for now. Let's go for lunch. Bye-bye.